All right, how about now? How about now? Can you hear me now? How are we doing? We need to see if it works. It works. Does it? All right, hell yeah, let's go. All right, another London session stream, 21st of October, guys. Let's go. Markets are already open. Guys, we cracked 50,000 subscribers. You're insane. Thank you so much, everybody, for subscribing. Thank you so much for being here. And let's see what the day brings. Keep in mind, guys, we have no official announcement from Project X that we can go back to trading. So I will definitely not be trading any Project X accounts right now. I'm waiting for an official go from the Tradeify team, meaning as soon as somebody sees a Tradeify Discord announcement that we're good to trade Project X again, please let me know. Until then, we're just gonna trade another 150k growth eval on a Tradeify, like on Tradeify in general. So let's get into the charts. Actually, look at what the problem is, or what the problem is. What the hell? What has happened overnight? That's what I wanted to say. Yeah, Leia. I don't think so. Just do not trade it yet. Like whenever there are issues, you know. It's very important that you wait until you have an official announcement that it's all good to go now. So Roser says, Nick, now that the stream is starting later, we miss your little Big Ben London market opening tune. Ding, 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 ding. The market is open. Here you go. Yeah, we're gonna most likely start the stream like 5 minutes before London Open in the future. So we can do that tone just for that, actually. Hope you're all doing well. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Talk Trader. Good morning, Leia. Good morning, Rari. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Roser, Rick, iTrade, Alijon, Max, Cheetah, Wasim. Like all you guys showing up, showing love, and trading with me. That is really, really fun. Thank you so much for tuning in. Really, really appreciate you all. Trader Darko, Scratcher H Trading, Ricardo, JPD Trades, everybody. Hope you're doing well. All right. Yeah, it could be that the issue is fixed. I think so too. However, until we get an official announcement, I'm not going to trade anything on Project X. Like you gotta be patient enough to stay out until these issues have been fixed. Because imagine you trade and then it doesn't work, and then you're getting wrecked again, and then you wish you wouldn't have traded. All right, right from London Open here, London had a pretty big drop. Interesting. 8.9 point drop right from the get-go. Pretty crazy. Leah says, I saw a notification on Discord that said all is good on trading. Tradeify? Really? Because I just asked the team and they told me like it's probably better to not trade for now. I'm just gonna check really quick. No, there is no there is no official announcement yet. So Cheetah, am I late today? Nope, we just changed the start date of the stream, but in return, the stream is gonna go a half an hour longer. So we're still you know, having a longer stream. All right, let's actually analyze what happened in NQ, because right now I don't see any setups. But we almost hit all-time high again yesterday, and also during the overnight session. Daily open, and by the way, I said yesterday, I'm expecting an expansion day. I'm very, very bullish for today. And what happened? We got a very, very bullish day. So for today, I mean, this was a candle 2 closure, candle 3. So today we're trading candle 4. So technically could get another expansion day to the upside. Although what I don't like is the daily open was at 25,327. We made the up wick already and are now moving down. So could we see this as making the down wick and then moving back up? Yes, technically. But right now in this moment, it's not looking too hot. So let's see what the day brings. On the hourly, I mean, we can see it's starting to flatten out down here. We are tapping into this fair value gap and reacting. So we could see the push up. I mean, it's not like this couldn't happen. However, right now in this moment, it doesn't look too great. That can change any time though. On the 5 minute, let's see if we have any setups, if we see anything. But no, not really. I mean, we did technically get a candle 2 closure here, but no change in state of delivery yet. we would still need to get the close through the 297.50 level on the 5-minute chart. So no setups for now. Next significant levels to the downside are previous week high and previous day mid. So we're still about 100 points away from that. There's nothing to worry about. To the upside, obviously daily open and then previous day high. So let's see what we can get. Just gonna stay patient, and as said, I'm just gonna trade another 150k growth eval on Tradeify because I do not trust trading Project X yet, since we haven't made an official announcement. Perk, are we doing a giveaway today? Hell yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway, but only if we hit 325 likes. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button. Get us to 325 likes, and we are gonna do a 50k growth account giveaway. Okay, the NQ is pushing down now. ES is in sync with NQ, which I really like. I'm a big fan. Big fan of these two assets being in sync. YM as well, pushing down right now. So let's see what we can get. Anybody in trades already? Chat? Anybody already making money? Let me know. JPD trades? No, not yet. We're still waiting on Amazon. Roki, why no white t-shirt today? First of all, I'm just wearing a black hoodie as I always do. And usually I would wear white tee below, but actually right now I'm wearing my sports tee because I'm gonna go play squash after the stream, so I'm already ready for squash, you know. So that's why. But usually, obviously, as usual, white tees. White tees is the way to go, guys. Like if you're not wearing white tees, you're missing out on life, I tell you. What's really funny, actually, Matt told me about that yesterday. He started watching the beginning of the London stream yesterday, and you know what's funny is I complained about Amazon in the beginning of the stream. I said like, yeah, we're waiting on Amazon to deliver the stuff for our producer to get our co-host on, and then literally after complaining, like 5 minutes later, we had the AWS outage. So I may have caused that, okay? Sorry. Obviously not. KB says, Nick, have you done T-Trade's Lens Premium course and would you recommend? Yes, I have, and yes, I would. It's absolutely banger. You can find all the information from that course for free on YouTube, on his YouTube. However, it's way more structured and easier to learn if you go through the course. Patrick says, every time I make Reese Casimir, but YTs get permanent stains. Damn that curve out. You just retracted? Come on, man. It's true. Happens to me as well. Every single time. Taco Trader says, would have been 10 points in less than 30 seconds. On gold? Or what? Thank you. I don't trade for 10 points. You made a spelling mistake, Patrick, and that's why you retract your message? Come on, man. I'm not gonna judge you. Judas Joe, do you have a favorite brand of YT? Yes, absolutely. I only wear Cuts clothing. Cuts clothing YTs, elongated. Those are the way to go. KB says, thank you, love your streams. London session streams are so good. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Really appreciate all you guys tuning in. Appreciate the support. Let's have another banger day. So far, volume is actually very low though, I think. Oh no, it's completely fine. Never mind, I didn't say anything. It's completely average volume. It's just that price is not going anywhere. Price is not going anywhere. What's up, Ivar? Eric Flores says, what's your short stop loss? I'm not in a short. What are you talking about? Funnel Folds, like goal, 325. 325. 325. But we're 367 people watching here, so we can easily hit that. KB says, now can you rig a giveaway for me, please? Well, how much are you going to pay? Let's talk about money first. Ankilov says, does VWAP show different values in different time frame? My VWAP on 50 minutes and 1 minute are entirely different. Project X is the way it is. Yeah, it is a little bit different. Look, see, on my 3 minute, it is at 25.317. On the 1 hour, it's actually at 317 as well. But like 1 point difference here, 317.9. On the 4 hour, 316. It should be in the same area, not like crazy different. I have a session anchored VWAP though. So it basically resets every time the market opens at 6 p.m. Eastern time. You see here, like it jumps up 6 p.m. Eastern time. So it's session-based VWAP. KR, what do I think of gold? Well, I'm really interested to see what's going to happen. I said yesterday there's a guy who made a video who analyzed that only 6 times in history has it happened that gold had a 9-week green streak, and last week was the 9th week, and every single time after that it sold off for 30%. So I'm really interested to see if we're getting a heavy sell-off on gold now, or if we're just going to keep pushing and making new writing history basically. So let's see. KB, you can pay with love. You know, I'm very fortunate. I have a lot of love in my life. So don't need more just to rig a giveaway. We gotta talk money, my friend. Dennis says, I'm looking for retracement back to 325 and then go short. Or gold 325 and then go long. What are you talking about? Quiet. Do growth accounts have a trailing drawdown? Nope, they do not. Well, they do, but it's end of day trailing. So intraday, it doesn't trail, but end of day, it trails. Matey, money gone? I'm ready. Ready. We just need to make money first. NQ long to 325. Oh, okay. I see. Hey, 50,300 subscribers now. Hell yeah, guys. We are growing. We're gonna hit 51K today. Pretty sure. Pretty sure. Thanks for all the support. Thank you. Make a decision. Where do you want to go? Come on. Move. Move. William, yeah, it's super flat right now. We're gonna get our setups though, don't worry. Don't you worry, don't you worry. Just gonna be patient. Mindruta says, Nick, what is your opinion on retail traders being in competition with the big players? Is it true or not? Well, look, retail traders are worthless pieces of shit for the big players. We're nothing, okay? Just respect the fact that we're nothing. Do they hunt stops and pools of liquidity? Yes, absolutely. But every single retail trader is literally nothing. So I don't really think it's us against them. It's you against you in trading. CJ, how do you copy trade from Tradeify? Well, since nothing is happening right now, let's give you a little lesson here. What you can do here in Tradeify is actually super easy. So right now I only have one account. As you can see, I only have one 150K growth account. However, if you have multiple, you can hit that settings button here, right next to one of the accounts. Actually, that is complete bullshit. I need to have a second account to actually do it. Damn it. There will be an option here that says manage groups. You hit that manage groups button and then you can add multiple accounts into one group, and then you can trade that group. So you can trade, you can copy trade directly in Tradeify, or you can use an external copy trader. Trade Delicious says, saw your video on Instagram yesterday, Nick. Pretty fun interviewing traders. Which one did you see? I have many videos on Instagram, but thank you. The Business Lens says, this useless Nick is calling us retail traders worthless pieces of shit. Yeah, me included. I'm a worthless piece of shit as well. From the perspective of the big players, of course. It's banks versus banks. Yep. True, William. Supernova and us trading prop accounts, which basically doesn't have any really orders. We're not even the shit of the shit. They don't give a shit. It's true. It is very true. Dominic, can you copy trade evals? Yes, you can. Hermetic trades. Is it possible to do 5,000 profit in a 50K growth account? Yeah, of course. Why would it not be possible? Yeah, Franja, right? 50K. Absolute madness. I reckon we're going to be at like, I don't know, maybe even 60K by the end of the month. The way how we're growing right now is insane. It's absolutely insane. I mean, if we look at the stats, Look, I show you actually. On Social Blade, this is public information. You can see here, like in the last 30 days, we got 20,000 subscribers. So we have 50 right now. 20 of those 50 came in the last 30 days, which is pretty freaking insane. In the last 14 days alone, 13,000. Absolutely crazy. It's nuts. Dan says, I'm in GC long from 4,340. TP at 64, rolled it almost to TP and now near break even. All right, nice. Good entry though. Good entry. E-class, my win rate varies anywhere between 65 and 70% usually. Fun with Volts, what are you going to do with YouTube money? Well, it's not my channel, it's Tradeify's channel. So I don't get anything of it. I would invest it though. Futures Nomad, Nick, are you a Viking? Am I a Viking? No, I'm not. Why would I be a Viking? What the hell? Hi, does the fair value gap become invalid if price wicks through it? No. It just, like if it respects it, it worked. Poulet, nice, congrats. Yeah, NQ about to push up now. Like if we get a 30-minute candle closure here, that is strong bullish, and we get a change in state of delivery by closing through the 86.50 level, then we're definitely gonna start looking for longs on NQ. Oh, actually no, we don't even need that. Change in state of delivery already happened down here. Didn't realize that this was a green candle. So we have to change in state of delivery. Now the only thing we need is a 30-minute candle closure. And then we could see bullish setups. Let's see. Hey, you with the Chinese symbols, I have no idea, unfortunately, what that means and how I say your name. However, do I have an SOP for entry or trading? Yes, absolutely. I trade the fractal model. So, Futures Nomad says Viking equals Danish or any other. I'm Swiss, man. I'm Swiss. Let's see. Fun with Folds. You're tagging Tradeify now to check if they want to give you the YouTube money. Let's see if anybody reacts. Don't think so. I do not think so. Jay Cohn, why wait for the 30-minute candle closure? Because 30 minutes is my lowest higher time frame I take into consideration. That's why. Morning, high five, gal. Ashutosh says, firstly, we are humans, guys, not Swiss, not Canadian, etc. Well, I'm a Swiss human. I'm a Swiss human, okay? What are we seeing here? Gold holding 50% equilibrium of the previous hourly candle. So to you who is in a gold since 4340, this is looking good as long as this holds. As soon as we close through this 50% equilibrium point, you're likely getting wrecked. Extraordinary cave trader. Do you think London session could sell, then retrace pullback with back to the highs? Could be. Let's see. But if we get a nice 30-minute candle closure, I will take longs here. CISD and TV, how many likes do we need today? 325. Let me refresh actually. We are currently sitting at 260, so only 65 more. Come on guys, smash that like button. Rick, you're short gold? Okay, interesting. Why are you short gold? Or when did you enter? Is the better question. Nice push up here on NQ. I like it. nicely in sync with ES. Levels to the left, this fair value gap. So let's see. Clueless Cassandra. Hi Nick, please could you share your insight on the CISD? Is it the series of down close candles after any green candle? Sometimes T-Trades will look at the entire series of down close candles. So in this case, look, it's very simple actually. You look at the low. You look at the low right here, for example. The low was made by a bearish candle. So you look at all the opposing candles, in this case all the bearish candles, until the next bullish candle, this one. So that's why CISD is here, okay? You just want to close through the up close candles that made that low, and vice versa. So for example here, you have these green candles that made this high, right? So CISD is when the 3 minute closed through the up close candles, these bullish candles. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, I don't know how to explain it better. Come on, NQ. Push it up. Push it. Telma, wow, you're good at maths. You quickly calculated the remaining likes. My brain would have gotten stuck with that math. Well, it's not that hard. 325 minus 260 is 65. Easy. Easy. But thank you. Hey Nick, how's it going? What was the name of page you learned your strategy from? T-Trades Fractal Model. T-Trades Fractal Model. It's all for free on YouTube. Gene, I have no idea. Ask T-Trades, not me. I don't know. Iringal, you get a gold medal today. You're the first person asking. The big candles here, the higher time frame candles, are T-Trades Fractal Model Pro Plus indicator, paid indicator. If you need a discount, message me on Instagram. Clueless Cassandra says, thanks Nick. 755 candle is a tiny green candle. I've seen some videos he will disregard very small green candles, so I was just wondering what you thought. Yeah, I just, as soon as it's green for me. By the way, guys, as soon as anybody sees an official announcement on Discord that we're good to trade Project X, please let me know. We don't have an official announcement yet, so I'm not going to trade Project X. Pro Trader 2809. Hey Nick, did you just take a long on NQ? Nope, I did not. I will always share. I will always share my trades with you guys. Don't you worry. If I take a trade, I will let you know. Because I want to celebrate wins, guys. Well, nice yawn, you know. Sometimes when you get these really good yawns, it just feels so good. That was one. Cheer Maya, how do you overcome FOMO? Well, always know that the markets will the markets will not go anywhere. There will always be another setup. There will always be another trade. So FOMO is unnecessary. Trading markets, you're using Project X, it's okay today? I think so too. However, since there's no official statement yet, I'm just not going to use it. Just going to trade on Tradeify. Market Maker Mario? Yeah, call Bezos, please. See if he got his shit together. Mindruta, any idea why the VWAP on TradingView is different than my VWAP on Bookmap? Probably because it's not a session-based VWAP, but I don't know. Eric, I trade with Tradeify, of course, and I do trade some others, but I'm not going to tell that on stream. Roki says, NQ etching us with this 30-minute candle. Yeah, let's see. Still 4 minutes left on it, so. Tiana, greetings from Mongolia. Hey, greetings from Switzerland. Monavidi says, I'm short gold. Okay, nice. Dominic. Yeah, tell them, man. Like that button. Come on, like the stream. We need 325 likes. We're at 286 now. Yeah, Judas Joe, I know there are free indicators for the higher time frame candles. However, what I really like about the fractal model indicator is that I not only get the higher time frame candles, but I also get candle 2 closures, I get change in state of delivery, I get T-spot, I get equilibrium, like all of that in one indicator. But if you're not trading fractal model and you just want to have the higher time frame candles, there are plenty of free indicators for that. Abik, message me on Instagram at Nick M Trades for that question. I'll get back to you there. Hermetic Traders, Hermetic Trades, greetings from Austria. Hey, greetings from Switzerland. I'm actually coming to Austria in December. Gonna do my yearly mastermind with my closest friends in a spa hotel. It's always great. Marco Megamari, I took yesterday off, was building a surprise gaming PC for my oldest daughter. Oh, that's awesome, man. She got several academic awards last week and wanted to do something for her. That's really, really cool. I love that. And you took the right day off, man. The Project X fuckery day. Well, not just Project X, just AWS fuckery day. Hermetic Trades, Stangelwirt. Ava, hey Nick, what's your target for NQ if that long gets confirmed? Well, I'm going to aim for 2 to 1, right? So I'm most likely going to market order in once we have a 30-minute candle closure. So let's assume it's somewhere around here. We would set the stop below the swing low. Have like a 23-point stop and we would go for a 46-point target or daily open. So about 43 points. I would say daily open is the target for this move. However, if we get a candle closure higher than 84.50, then we could even set our stop down here. That would be better. So stop at like 73 if we get the close through here. If we don't, then stop down here. So let's see. I will show you when I enter the trade though. Where's Rosie? Hermetic Trades. Nice push now. Looking like a nice clean setup, guys. Oh, you know what? I could actually connect my Tradeify account here. Let me connect my Tradeify account really quick. 1 second. With TradingView so you can see it there. One second. All right. I'm connected now, so I don't have to show 2 screens or anything. Just take the trade here. All right. Let's see. Taking this trade, guys. Long on NQ right about now. 2 minis on 150k growth eval is the plan. We're in this trade right now. Entry was 25,288. Stop loss is below the swing low. I'm gonna leave 1 point, actually 1.5 points. Safety, so about a 16-point stop, 15.75. And then target is 2 to 1. Up here, 31.5 points. We are gonna set a 1 hour target though for our break-even move. There we go. That's our 1 hour target at 3 hour 375. And then 1.5 hour target at 311.75. All right, and that's the plan. Easy. Easy. 1 hour here, 1.5 hour here, and now we chill. Benny says, why have the cutie on the thumbnail, but then she isn't here? She's going to join this week. Celine is her name. She's going to be co-hosting starting this week. Addy 1, Addy 2, do I enter trades on the 5 minute? Usually I prefer that, yes. But right now I entered it on the 3 minute. Future Scott, we're on opposite sides of this trade. Ooh, okay. Best of luck, man. Nice push up now. We made a shallow wick here. And now pushing up. This I really like. This is like ideal when we take fractal model setups, is when you first get a little bit of a down wick and then it pushes higher. Because there are it doesn't happen very often that you get candles without a down wick, right? So I prefer actually if we move a bit down first and then move higher. Could be that it stops us out too, but so be it. Sai, my name is Nick, not Nike. But can I explain what the reason behind this trade is? Yeah, absolutely. So basically, I have a bullish bias for today, right? Because we had a candle 2 closure on Friday, candle 3 closure yesterday. So today is candle 4, still an expansion day. And since I have a bullish bias, what I'm looking for is a higher time frame sweep of a low. In this case, 30-minute candle. The previous 2 30-minute candles were swept. And we had a nice bullish close. On the 30-minute. We then also have a change in state of delivery because on a 3-minute chart we closed through the 273 level, and now basically what has happened is as soon as this 30-minute candle closed, I took a long. It's not looking too good right now. We might be getting stopped out and then we find a re-entry. Let's see. Or it just doesn't stop us out and hits TP. Come on, guys, come on. Future Scott says, close for profit, up 1K in Tradeify, you can make money now. Thanks. Would be cool if we both make money. Trading markets, what is your TG, Nick? What is a TG? My target? Thank you, love. Yeah, the account is still alive, the 0 to Hero Challenge one. Yesterday's trade obviously was reset to 0. So we're still down about $700. But I'm not trading it today because we do not have confirmation yet that we can trade on Project X. Eric says, Nick, we hit the 310 like goal. Yeah, but the like goal is 325, man. 325. We're at 315 right now. GC is dumping. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Holy. Whoever was short gold, congrats, I guess. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, we don't need that. That's insane. Holy. 20-point candle on the 3-minute? What the hell? Yeah, Rick. You're banking. Hell yeah. You're still in, Rick? Let me know. Wow. Oh, is that the sell-off starting? Let's see. You're out. 1K times 5. You made 5 grand, Rick? Hell yeah. Well done. Well done. Sticking to the plan, no greed. That's what we love. What a G. Right, we're still in this NQ long. Consolidating for now. Not really liking how it moves. I mean, NQ should pump if gold dumps like that. It's a nice conference for us. By the way, whoever asked about FOMO before, that would be a perfect example, right? You could have FOMO here and be like, oh no, I missed this entire move. Yeah, but did you anticipate that move? No? All right, cool. So what are you missing out on? You know? It's not as if you would have had a trade set up for this. And if you did have one and you didn't catch it, okay, cool. Next one will come. Don't you worry. Come on, NQ, push us up now. We need to get the pump. Pump to the 300s. That's what we need. Yeah, Carl, GC and NQ are usually inverse correlated. So when NQ pumps, and gold dumps, and when NQ dumps, gold pumps. Usually. Hell yeah, Rick. Enjoy that win, man. Fire. Yeah, Jolin, it's usually like that. Doesn't mean it's always like that. All right, we're in profits now on that NQ trade. Now it's nice push up. Nice push up. This rejection I don't like, honestly. But I mean, we trade the plan, right? We have our stop loss in place, we have our target in place, we have our 1 hour for the break-even move in place, so we're good. Midi, what is the target for NQ? So 1 hour target is 25.303.75, 1.5 hour target is 311.75, and then ultimate final target is 319.50. But right now, it's not looking too hot, I'll tell you that. We got a nice push and now completely retracing the entire move. Perk says, we're at the light goal. Where's the giveaway? Oh, sassy, man. I'll do the giveaway. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll do it. We got the light goal now. It's great. Chill guy 534. Yeah, I say. Usually. Doesn't mean that's every single time. You obviously have to think, look at it, right? And see if that's true for the day or not. Oop, strong push down and NQ. Pearl Vision, what's the giveaway today? 50k growth account. Future Scott, oh man, giveaways during overnight? My bad is calling me. Well, let your bet wait. Gotta win the giveaway first. NQ Love, when your new host comes online, will there be 2 giveaway accounts? Maybe. It's your first time joining Pearl Vision? Nice. Welcome, welcome. Connor, how do you enter the giveaway? Well, I'll explain it once it happens. Don't worry. It's easy. The trader guy says, damn, Nick, I'm in the long too. Was green for a moment. You got excited and the market told us to hold its drink. Yeah. Yeah, I thought we would get the follow through up here. I thought like, oh, push is coming in. But hey, let's see. Pearl Vision. Yeah, it's a wheel of names. Paul. Yo, Paul. What's up? MM says, this 5-minute candle doesn't look good. Yeah, true. The 3-minute looks okay though. Was a doji. If it stops us out, we're just looking for a re-entry, you know? It's not an issue at all. Paul, you shorted NQ but got stopped out, but your gold short paid off. Oh yeah, man. Your gold short paid off big time if you entered this up here. Let's see. Yeah, signs. That's very true. When GC pays big time. Big time, big time. NQ still holding though. NQ still holding that 50% equilibrium. We literally retested it to the tick here, guys. To the tick. I don't love this trade, but I also don't hate it. Bye, Ollie B. First funded with you guys. Nice, man. Congrats. Welcome to the good side. NQ, would you please move up? We would all appreciate that, yeah? NQ Love says, based on your experience, is it true that gold doesn't obey price action most of the time? No, I mean, for me, it has worked, trading price action on gold. It respects levels very, very well, so. NQ, don't stop us out here. Come on. We most likely need the 9 AM push. UK 9 AM. By the way, guys, 50,000 subscribers is insane. So crazy to see that. Like, we literally started, Leia said it tomorrow, 5 months ago. 5 months to 50k subscribers is absolutely nuts. Thanks to all you guys. Appreciate it, really appreciate it. Uh-oh, we're about to get stopped out here in NQ. Don't do it, NQ. Don't do it. Yeah, we're toasted, guys. We're cooked. If this doesn't stop us out, well, that would be nice. But I think we're cooked. Jeremiah, have I ever tried trading currencies? Nope. Trading markets, what's my stop? 272.25. Haven't touched my stop since I said it. Whenever something like this happens and you don't get stopped out, like by a tick, and then it hits TP, I call this the goat of stop loss. I'm still thinking we're cooked though, right now. Oh, it wants us. There we go. All right, we're stopped out of this NQ trade. Stopped out for 15.75 points. That's okay though. Let's look for a re-entry. Well, Extraordinary Cave Trader, you can see it on my screen here. I was in a trade, but I'm out now. I'm out now. Iringal says, would you guys do a Swiss Nick versus American Nick boxing match for TTV first year anniversary? Hell yeah, that would be sick. The Business Lens says, this guy is making a lot of money from affiliates, making people lose trades and delay more time in evaluation. Dude, I don't make any affiliate money. I don't. The only thing I do is trade. Eric, that's unfortunate, man. That is unfortunate. The Rust Trader, do you need to pay for TradingView to trade futures? No. You need market data though. Live market data. Yeah, of course trading markets. Like, I'm not doing it for free. It's a lot of time I invest in doing the stream. Yeah, thanks, Scott. I mean, JPD trades is just a slow London session so far. No real moves. Yeah, RFM futures. I prefer Tradeify over TradingView for sure. I just trade on TradingView so it's easier for you guys to see. Perk says, we hit the like goal already. Where's the giveaway? Dude, giveaway's gonna come. Don't worry. Don't worry. San, you made $500 on this trade, but you were looking for a quick scalp. Nice. Good work. Everybody has their own style. Ali Reza, Nick, which is the session? Which session is the best for trading GC? Asia session and pre-market New York, so like end of London. Surab, you're gonna hit the gym now? All right, have fun. Rocket Trades Futures, where's the YT? I'm already dressed up to go squash right after the stream, so that's why no YT right now. Yeah, I mean, guys, you're right. Until we're waiting for that next setup, by the way, which is looking like a bearish setup now, continuing that bearish trend. So I'm going to switch my bias most likely. But I'm waiting until this hourly candle close. So while we wait for this setup, let's actually do the giveaway. Because you guys delivered on the like count, now let me deliver on the giveaway. So everything that you need to do in order to participate in that giveaway is to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I give you guys the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified, okay? Here's the link in the chat. I'll post it 5 times. If you don't see it, that's a you problem. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. Thanks, Graphene. We really appreciate the support. Awesome to have you here. Ooh, you guys are fast. Already 40 people filled it out. Good work, guys. Good work. Gonna give away another 50K growth account. Hey, Cheese Balls. Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Still love your username. Cheese Balls. Oh, hell yeah, Rick. 35 grand cup. We're going to absolutely smash the shit out of our competition. That's what we're going to do. Indian Railway says, sir, right side extra candle. Which indicator? T-Trades fractal model indicator. T-Trades fractal model Pro Plus. But if you keep spamming the chat with that question, I'm going to ban you from the chat. So please don't. Okay. One more time, Indian Railway, and I'm going to time you out for 5 minutes. Yeah, Rick, I'm going to get a little freaky on sizing as well. Of course, trading markets, everybody claims they will win. KB, usually I wait for confirmation, like IFVG or CISD. However, all right, Indian Railway, I warned you. Now you pasted it again, so I'm going to time you out for 10 minutes. You can't type anymore for 10 minutes. Trading markets, why are you no longer allowed to trade Tradeify? Robert, you bought my stop? Come on, dude. Come on. All right, guys, you have 18 more seconds to fill out the Google form for the giveaway. Until this candle closes. Yeah, Tim, I trade the fractal model, which is an ICT-based strategy. Trader Maku, do I paper trade since Project X is not working? No, I'm trading my 150K growth account on Tradeify. It's an eval though. Yeah, Sylvanus, hell yeah. On to 100K. Yeah, Tim. As I said, fractal model is ICT based. Hey, Nick Trader. I like your name, man. Do I play paddle? Yes, absolutely. I love paddle. Hermetic trades. You're on the wrong stream to ask that question. Wrong prop firm. Gabriel, what drew me towards the fractal model? Honestly, just having a system that is very, very rule-based. It's very obvious where to enter. It's very obvious where to set stop losses. It's very obvious where to set targets. So it's a very systematic approach to trading and leaves very little room for individual interpretation. That's why I really like that. Adam, yeah, great idea. But Al, do I full port evals to pass in one good trade? No, usually not, but I do size heavy on evals. Right now I don't. I just trade this with 2 minis, which is appropriate for 150k eval. Alright. Shukufuku, hey Nick, just curious, why is your stop loss at 25,271 and not at the London low? Well, simply because we got another change in state of delivery once we had this candle, this one, close through this level here. So I didn't want to risk an additional like 15 points or so. All right, guys, let's pick a giveaway winner. 50k growth account giveaway. Let's see. Let's see who gets it, guys. Let's see who gets it. I'm just copying everybody over to the wheel of names. Copying everybody over, and then we're gonna pick a winner. Winner, winner, winner. Let's see. All right, spinning this, and the person who wins, I'm gonna check if they only filled out the form once. If you filled it out more than once, you get disqualified. So let's spin it, guys. Let's spin it. The winner of a 50k growth account is Owen DM. Owen DM, I'm just checking if you filled it out more than once. No, you did not, so good work. Owen DM, please message, say something in the comments. Reef, no, it's not you. Owen DM. Owen says hi in the chat. Let me check if that's actually you, but it should be, I assume. Yep, it is. Congrats, Owen. So the only thing that you got to do now, Owen, is add your email address. Add your email address to your YouTube channel description, and we're going to reach out to you via email and send you your 50k growth account. That's it. Congrats. Give us up to 7 days to send you that account, but usually it's faster. The luck was on your side today. All right, let's see if we get a setup here. William, what do I think of NQ now? That it's choppy and that I don't like it. Right now I look at it as a range. This is the range. Don't really like that, honestly. Especially because we didn't sweep the low. Fun with Full says, why it's never on my side? I need to start doing black magic now. Dude, like if you win a giveaway, I mean this right now was, your chance was 1 out of 410. So Owen, the guy who won, he was just very, very lucky. Everybody who didn't win was just normal. You're lucky when you win. You're not unlucky when you don't win. I am trading live accounts as well. But we actually, so for the first 4.5 months of trading on Tradeify TV, we all traded live accounts. But then we got a lot of feedback from you guys that it's unrelatable, and to be more relatable, we should trade evals and then funded accounts. So that's why we switched over and we're now trading funded accounts and evals on stream. We just want to be as relatable as possible for you guys. So we have the same rules, consistency, etc. JC1990, hey Nick, when you have two back-to-back 30-minute candles sweeping the opposite sides, which one do you go with? Well, look, if I can frame a trade in both directions, I'm sitting it out. I'm not taking any trades. Bitcoin, yeah, it went down a bit, honestly. 65 right now. On the 0 to hero challenge account, I mean, if we would have had the win yesterday, we would have been at like 60%. I think it's right now it's a little bit lower than 60%. Tim, what's the difference if you're trading live or eval? Well, the only difference is for you guys to know that when we are trading an eval or a funded account, we have the same rules as you guys, right? On a live, we don't have any rules. Leah asks, is it hard to trade different accounts, like your personal, Tradeify funded, evals? I mean, it takes a bit time to get adjusted to. You need to think a little bit more, but you get used to it. At this point, it's all the same. It doesn't matter to me. Avirup, if someone has not won a single time in 5 months, do you consider that unlucky? No. Josh, you're up $1,000 in London session? Hell yeah. Nice. Well done, man. Congrats. Yeah, Tinkering Tish. That's the whole purpose. Right. It's like being as relatable as possible to you guys. So we all have the same rules. We don't get treated in any special way or anything. Jeremiah says, the fractal model really improved my trading and taught me to be more patient. Nice. Same for me, actually. Rory, who do you think is driving the market? Well, market makers. Market maker Mario is driving the market. Let's see where this 30-minute candle closes here in 1 minute and 17 seconds. Let's see. Well, Stein, I'm always looking at the 3-minute, but I have the hourly open on the right side here. So as soon as I see a setup forming on the hourly, I just switch over to the 5-minute chart. Let's see what we can get. Dan says, God, I heard you say Jeremiah's instead of Jeremiah. I was hoping for God that Jeremiah's first name isn't Finn. What? Bro, that was taken from another solar system, man. That joke was from somewhere else. The basis route next say Happy Diwali in Indian. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do the Indian accent anymore because some people were offended by it. So it's always funny to do it. I like doing it, but I don't want to offend anybody, so I'm gonna stop doing it. Gene, how's my 1-minute testing going? Honestly, I haven't really focused on it this week so far. I've abandoned it a bit, that test. Didn't like how it was going. I might pick it up again. Yeah, Dan, it did. Yeah, true, Market Maker Mario. Somebody would be offended by me existing. Very true. Amelia, yeah. Very, very, very true. People get offended too easily these days. Nick, would you rather cut a pizza with a slicing blade or a circular slicing blade? Am I bullish or bearish? Right now I'm nothing on NQ. Like this shit is just consolidating. 9 a.m. volume UK time is not doing anything right now. So on the hourly we had a nice candle 2 closure. So that means technically we can start looking for long setups. However, I want to see a 5-minute candle close through the 87.25 level first. Then I might consider longs. The basis says, I'm Indian and not at all offended. You do it in good spirit. Hey, I appreciate you. That's awesome. Mara, nice. Very nice. Yeah, with my entry that I had to set my stop loss here. It just didn't make sense to go below the lows. Rick says, so Nick, any sauce about trading crypto on Tradeify? I mean, I don't know anything. The only thing I know, I saw this tweet lately by Brett, the CEO of Tradeify. Wait, I'll pull it up. Look, he says this, coming to Tradeify, and then this cryptic puzzle, and there's Bitcoin on it. So I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. So that's the puzzle, the riddle. The basis, do I not consider trading FTSE or DAX during London? I'm looking at it, but I'm not getting, I don't know. Not really a fan of it yet. I'm looking at it though, every now and then. Gold continues to dump. Congrats everybody who's in that. Turtle Sniper 300. How do people claim their giveaway accounts from Tradeify TV if they win? Well, they add their email address into their YouTube channel description, and then we claim it from there and send them an email. Aviroop, I don't know. Could ask Brett for that. Amelia, you just made $400 short in gold. Nice. Congrats. Gold is continuing to dump. It's insane. When we started the stream, guys, gold was at 4358. It's now at 87. It's like a freaking 70-point dump. That's insane. One mini, that's $7,000. Yeah, NQ needs to close outside this range. Oh, when you have added your email address to YouTube, let me double check. All right, I can see it. Perfect. We're gonna reach out to you within 7 days. Jay Cohen, how much is each point worth on gold? $100 per mini. So 1 micro is $10. Amelia, you closed too early, as always, your biggest problem. Well, that's another reason why the fractal model is so great, because it's a very systematic approach to when to trail your stop loss, when to take profit, etc. The mysterious stranger, you mean on gold? Let me actually switch the bias to bearish here. Yeah, I agree, Taco Trader. The 1 hour looks like it wants to go long, but it needs to break through this level first. I'm gonna consider another long once we close through 87.25. No, Aviroop, unfortunately not. No fractal model setups on gold. I could have taken the continuation play here, but it's not really a fractal model setup, so. Iringal, yeah, I was live funded with Tradeify. However, we decided that we're going to go back to trading prop. Going to go back to trading funded accounts and evals. So we're more relatable to you guys. So right now I have 550k growth fundeds. I passed those last Friday. Took me two days to pass to 150ks. First day I lost 2,500. Second day I made 11,500. With 2 minis actually on NQ. That was pretty nuts. But I haven't traded them yet because yesterday was reset to 0. But you can see it here, look, on the bottom. I have 550k growth funded. So you can also see it here. Yeah, I love the fractal model, it's great. Rick, yeah. Sushi and let it run. Sushi and forget. That was great. Great pump. The Friday pump. Suriluki, what's for lunch today? Actually sushi. I'm not even kidding. It's actually sushi. Like whenever I go play squash, so I go with a friend once a week. We play squash and whoever wins, or like whoever loses has to pay sushi. Every single time. Market Maker Mario, yeah, the London session stream is now 1.5 hours. So we're going longer. Less sleep for you, Market Maker Mario. Yeah, Suriluki, it's especially nice because I win all the time. That's the good part about it. Look, I'll show you. He's gonna be so pissed if he sees me sharing this on stream, but one sec, I'll show you. Here. So the squash battle, we've been doing this for years now. He won 39 times, I won 66 times. I hold all the records. I won 10-1 in April 2024. I won 11-0 in November 2024. All the records are mine. 66 to 39. That guy is paying all the time. I'm eating for free. Hell yeah. Nicohan says, hey nigga, I've tossed a fractal, trading Friday's Trump tweets now. Easy money, Nicohan. Hey Cody, what's up, man? What's up? 2 a.m. here, working on an algo. Saw you live. Hell yeah, man. Good to see you, bro. How you doing? How's your algo work going? Rocky trades futures? You don't know what squash is? Come on, man. Come on, look, I'll show you. Here, this. It's similar to racquetball, but it's not racquetball. Okay, so you have like these little balls made out of, what is that, gum, plastic, whatever. And then you hit the wall with that ball. Like it's one and then the other and then one and then the other. And the goal is to basically hit the ball so that the other can't get it. That was the worst explanation ever, but you'll get it. Tinkering Tish says, I have $800 left for my first Tradeify payout and it's taking me forever because I cut my sizing as I got closer. Well, why would you cut your sizing? Just trade as you normally would. Cody says, living the dream, having to move the algo from 1 second time frame to 1 to 5 min time frame because the webhooks I'm using are too slow for quick moves. That's insane, man. That's insane. Rocky trades futures, it's like handball? No, not at all. Wall ball? What is wall ball? Let me check. Yeah, well, but it's with a racket. Dean says, my dad snapped his Achilles tendon playing squash. I actually broke my foot playing squash. That was like 3 or 4 or 5 years ago. I can't even remember. No, like 4 years ago. Tinkering Tish, but yeah, forget the payout. Just trade as you usually trade. Clueless Cassandra, my main weight that I place in time frames is like my main focus is the 1 hour 5 minute, and then the second one after that is 3 minute 30 minute. KB, it's actually very, very, very much more intense than tennis. Squash is so much more intense. It's insane. NQ is not going anywhere right now, guys. Yeah, okay, Rocky. Kinda. Yeah, Market Mega Mario, that's right. That is right. Oh, Tinkering Tish, I love paddle. I play paddle all the time. Actually, on Saturday, I play a tournament with my girlfriend. Halloween tournament. Yeah, gold keeps tanking. It's insane. What? Let's look at the next level on gold here really quick. What the hell, man? Yeah, we're about to touch weekly open, so shorting gold now is suicide. Because at a certain point, it will start consolidating, and it might very well be at weekly open. Not interested in taking any trades here. For all you guys who are having FOMO, what's better? Stay out of a trade and miss the move, or get caught in a trade that moves against you and then wish that you wouldn't have taken the trade? Yeah, Anime Nub, the gold price theory I shared yesterday might be coming true. It might be. Could you scalp gold for a couple points? Yeah, you could. It's just not part of my strategy. I mean, what we can do, I'm trading an eval, right? What we can do is we can go trade it with one mini. I just do whatever you guys say in the chat, okay? It's just an eval, 150k growth eval. I don't give a shit about it, honestly. It's currently up 700 bucks. So tell me, chat, do you want me to short gold? Do you want me to long gold? Want me to do anything? Want me to stay out? I don't give a shit. I do whatever you say. I say it's not a smart choice to trade it right now. That's my take on it. Nico says, any scars from playing squash? I have a big round circle on my ass. That happened before, man. That happened before. Everybody says stay out. Thanks. That was a test, guys. Very good. That's what you gotta do. Don't FOMO into this shit. Just went through weekly open. Cheetah, you made 3k on gold. Nice, congrats. Rocket Trades Future says maybe going for Monday low. I mean, that would be at 229. But look, the push up is now happening around weekly open. What is silver doing, by the way? Completely forgot about that. Ah, okay. Same move. Same move as gold. No entry either. For fractal model. Judas Joe, a Swiss accent, Swiss English accent can't offend you, man. It's just so retarded. Swiss English is the weirdest. Do you want me to do a Swiss English accent? I can do that. Rick, favorite trading movie? Oh, hard decision between Wolf of Wall Street and The Big Short. They're both fire, honestly. Yeah, gold is down 2% right now. You want the Swiss English accent? Look, Swiss politicians, when they speak English, they speak like this, so that you don't understand anything. It's really weird, okay? They speak like this and they act like this, and it's all like a really, it's really derpy, you know? Like everybody's just making fun of them. Yeah, Judas, I know. I know. See, guys? Imagine we would have FOMO'd into this gold. That's why you don't do it. That's why you don't do it. Chat, are you guys in any trades? Or are you sitting this out as me? Like we just swept Asia low here. Now, finally getting out of that range. So I do expect this to move higher now. If we get confirmation close, like obviously we can trade this continuation, right? Like this, and short it, wait for that. But what I expect is gonna happen is this right now. I move back up. This might be the bottom. Let's see. See, guys? That's what I mean regarding Project X. Gandalf just posted 3 minutes ago. Everyone, please do not try to trade on Project X until the action to restore accounts has been completed. This may take some time. Please be patient. Do not trade on Project X. I told you. That's exactly why I didn't. LSA, when do I enter for longs? Well, once I get a setup. So I have to sweep off the low now. So as soon as the 30-minute candle closes within the previous 30-minute candle and we get a change in state of delivery, aka we have closed through the 80.5 level on the 3-minute. That's when I would consider longs. Do not trade Project X yet, guys. Oh, this market is so slow, and it looks like we're not gonna get a trade. Oh, we would have gotten so wrecked, guys, if we would have chased this. I said around the weekly open on gold is exactly where it looks like it wants to consolidate, and look what's happening now. Sliced through it, now back up, and it's gonna probably produce the same consolidation kind of move like we had here. That's why you don't chase. Very simple. Very, very simple. If you only take one thing from this stream today, that's the lesson for today. That's it. Yeah, Patrick, the way it moves, I'm bearish on NQ as well right now. Doesn't look like it wants to go up, so break, retest, and then enter. Let's see. Break, retest looks good for now. Hey, what's up, Martin from Malaysia? Good to have you here. Welcome, welcome. Taco, you just entered a long scalp. Yeah, well, everybody trades their own strategy, right? If your strategy printed a long scalp and you're out now, great. That's just not what I trade. Ali John, yeah. Be patient. Don't chase. It's what kills your account. There will always be another opportunity. If you're patient and you miss a trade because of that, so be it. There will be a new opportunity. Don't worry. Trades will always come. Well, graphene, I mean, significant point of interest. What we have right now is Asia low sweep. Right, so we swept this Asia low here. They're now trying to push higher. So it could set up for a bullish setup, but now, Henry, I'm just saying, like, my bias for today is still bullish, right? When I saw that we swept Asia low and we moved up here, I was like, okay, this might be the bullish move, right? However, then it started pushing down. I'm like, okay, well, maybe not. Now it's pushing up back up again. So I'm overboarding any bias right now. I'm just waiting for a setup. Taco, you locked yourself out of Project X today? Yeah, probably smart. Probably smart. Fair value gap rejection here on gold on the 3 minute. Come on now. Do something, market. Do something. Taku says, my day trading has gone from chaotic to very stable when I found out Project X could lock you out. Yeah, honestly, like, the lockout features on Project X are unmatched. So good. So good. I absolutely love them. Come on, market, do something. RF says, Project X is not good. On a trade, lost $500, but now I have $1,300 minus. What the hell? I mean, I said do not trade Project X yet, but I don't know what happened. Max Barak, keys to never blowing account. I think that's the wrong question. Like, as a trader, you will blow accounts. There's no way around it. However, you can definitely minimize the risk of blowing an account by having a daily maximum loss limit that locks you out once you hit it. And also making sure you don't over leverage, you know. If with one trade a day, you already reach your daily loss limit, you're oversized. Tell you that. Pockets trading, Owen won the giveaway. Yeah, of course, chill guy. It's always like that, unfortunately. Unfortunately, some people just never learn it. Da, 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 da. Are we getting the push up now? Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no. So this would be the 3 minute change in state of delivery. Here you go. The level is 25,280.5. Aidan, does it make sense to just do one trade a day? You can do that. I know a lot of people do that. I think Amas does it. It's not for me though. I take 3 to 5 trades a day. But whatever fits your style, man. You can do whatever. That's the cool thing about trading. You can trade however you want. It's certainly a good discipline and patience exercise to just take one trade a day. Trader Maku, what if Project X still not okay after a week? Well, that's not gonna happen. It's gonna be back today, pretty sure. Latest tomorrow. It won't be down for a week, trust me. Mysterious Stranger says, depends on your system. I know some people who take at max 2 trades a week and they're well in profit. Yeah, absolutely. 100% doable. VDM says, I'm trading M and Q 5 to 10 to scale out. Evaluation in 6 days. 1 losing day and the total is 17k up. Wow. Why would you need 17k on an evaluation? If you have a 150k growth account, you need 9k. What are you doing? That's fire though. Good profits. Max says, copy trading cooked me last week. I'm going to just trade each account individually until I master my discipline. Yeah, that makes sense. If you don't have consistent results yet, if you're not disciplined enough, then copy trading can be a killer of your wallet. RF says, yesterday I had 51,891. Now I have 50,533. I made just 500 minus today. Remember, it doesn't matter if yesterday you made profits or losses, your account got reset to 0. Yesterday, like all your trades that you took did not count due to the AWS outage. So you may have made profits yesterday, RF, and it was reset to 0 instead of profitable. And that's why you have less money in your account right now. It's very unfortunate if you made profits yesterday. If you made losses, it was a lucky day for you. No, it's just like it's so many trades, like going through each and every single one and resetting the losses but not resetting the profits will take so much time. It's almost impossible. Yeah, Rick, that was the idea at first, but then all the prop firms agreed on the same thing. Like literally everybody's doing the same thing. They're just resetting to 0. As if the day never happened. And at the end of the day, yeah, it's shit if you made profit, but it's a fair solution. Alright guys, this is not even setting up for anything right now for me, so I'm just gonna stop trading here. I'm gonna walk away. Thank you guys all for tuning in. As usual, it was a fun session. I'll see you in the New York stream at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time today, and then back tomorrow, 8 a.m. UK time for the London session stream. Love you all. It's been fun. Put a W in the chat if you liked the stream. Put an L in the chat if you didn't like the stream, and I'll see you later. Zero Hero, you just put an L. I see you. See you guys. Have a great day.